Get off at 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir. It's hot already in my face.
You're gonna have to deal with it. I'm trying to
I know.
thaw everything out. Usually you're freezing.
But I'm not freezing right now. Bless you. But the problem is, if the snow melt, right? Do you think it's slippery?
As long as the temperature goes down and it melts, it ain't gonna be. But if the temperature stays the same way it is, it's gonna freeze. I'll tell you what. Hell, you might not be able to work yourself.
I don't know. You need to wait for me then.
I always do, don't I?
Yes, sir.
Well, it gets me that the heat from the hood, usually it just melts and runs off. And when I put it inside that shop.
I think no one in the courthouse.
No, they're not even going open today.
Where are you going?
Making it wide, baby.
Look at that.
People walking down the middle of the road.
Yeah, and they just walking. Because no one will walk.
Oh, ain't nobody there.
Somebody.
Somebody might be there.
There's a car.
We'll see.
There's a car outside already. Let's go to work.
On the roof.
Let's fly.
What sound?
Look at the snow, it's blowing. Look.
Yeah, it's supposed to get real windy and
Yeah, it's windy.
it's going to be ice in the morning.
They don't even stay in the trees. It's blowing.
That's good. It won't accumulate. Look, she's spinning.
She's spinning also. The same as us.
You gotta kind of get momentum going up to them. Even when I come up to this, I had to keep kind of rolling.
You can even see the what's this? The other side too. It's already deep, covered.
Well, Marcel can bring Jean home, or she can spend the night with her.
I think Maricel will not come out.
It won't hurt her to spend the night.
If she wants. You know her.
She won't have much of a choice.
They're gonna be, Papa, come get me. He's driving fast?
Yeah.
Just let him.
noticed my uncle and them's gone this morning,
There are nothing in the
but
house.
I didn't see no trash coming out, so they must have left yesterday or something.
At least we have a power. It's not run out.
Please don't jinx us.
Yeah, please. It's cold today.
Woo, yeah, it's 13 degrees right now. It was 10 when I dropped you off.
10 degrees.
See, look, 13. And the birds getting water. Some place they can get water, everything else is frozen. Oh,
Oops.
that's that hole right there.
Oh, he's digging.
Yeah, he couldn't get out a while ago. He was just spinning.
He needs to dig. So.
Hell, look at that. How much is in there, really? Look in there.
Oh my God. It's thick. It's thick.
Yeah, I've never seen it like that.
Look at this. Ooh, it's cold.
You want to take a picture?
No. I'm good inside.